So here we've got the rip server. This is the intermediary between between the operator and the actual printer. You can see that we've actually got something on the go there. Printing on these types of machines here, and as you can see, we're printing out our nice unicorn theme. So the unicorn ball pull to match a unicorn bouncy castle and soft play is now being printed out. Very nice big machine here that prints out, and then it all coils up on that uptake roll there. So like it's not like printing like a normal Windows printer. It's not just file print. When you want to send something to print, you have to send it to a rip server first, and then that rip server will then send it over to the printer. We can see that we've got our racks over here. We used to hand laminate everything and then put the pieces of material in those racks, hand laminate it, and then wait for it to dry. We don't do that anymore. We get a much nicer finish with our machine laminator over here. This is a machine laminator. It's what gives it like a very nice finish, nice machine finish. And I'll probably take like another video and stitch it together on the back of this one to show that actually working, because until you've it just comes out on the back here, feeds through. It's kind of like a huge pizza oven, but on a massive roll. Yeah, I'll probably take another video, show you guys that laminating. Right, so now we're using the laminating machine. This is where we apply a coat of laminate to the actual PVC. It goes through this uptake bar at the bottom here. The material gets pulled through by a mechanism at the back. So at the back here, this bar, it just winds the PVC through and pulls it through this bit here. Now this bit on top is kind of like a big pizza oven. It's really hot. It runs at 290 degrees. So yeah, pretty hot. And you can see the laminate goes through this tube here, and it goes down into this trough. And then here is where you can see like all that white liquid. You see that white liquid there? That's the laminate. And then it gets pulled through underneath this bar. This is called a Maya bar, and this is what gives it a really nice machine finish. You don't see any lines or scrapes or anything like that. So yeah, the liquid gets poured on. The roller pulls it through underneath that Maya bar. It goes through that baking tray. It's not really a baking tray, but it gets pulled through that baking part, and then it gets wound on at the back here onto like a cardboard tube. You can just see the edge of that tube there, winding on. And then in about an hour, that will have gone through an entire 50-meter roll, and it will all be nice and laminated. It will be flame resistant. It will be waterproofed. It will be UV resistant. It will be much more flexible. It will be scratch resistant. And just what you really want bouncy castle PVC or soft play PVC materials to be like. Nice and compliant, long lasting, and well coated. And we should be able to see very soon that picture just coming out the back. I've just started this one up. That's a brand new roll just been put on. These bits at the end here are just the margins, just to make sure the laminate doesn't escape, and just to make sure that it's all going through at the right angle and not pulling the material through skew width. Really nice farmyard ball pull being printed off and laminated here for Bouncy Castle Hire Bexley, for our own hire company. So we're really involved in not only the design but the print and the laminating of the material. We're really super involved in the manufacturing process of our own fleet stock. Yep, you can see that now all pulling through. And on the back, that comes out totally bone dry, and that's ready to go. Like, there's no waiting now. Like, that could be cut up and sewn and made into a ball port immediately. There's no wait there whatsoever. And that's pretty much the process of laminating.